it's Eyeshadow here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title and also like my whole thing that I got going on here, I'm going to be doing a garden fairy or like woodland. I haven't figured out which one. I think garden because I'm gonna put some butterflies in my hair and stuff. So I'm going to be doing a garden fairy makeup tutorial. I'm super excited because fairy like looks have been going around a lot recently. I just feel like on TikTok and just like, I don't know, I've been seeing fairy looks everywhere and I was like, okay, you know what, I want to do that. So I just made some ears. So if they look bad, it's because it was like my first attempt at making them and I was just like throwing together what I had because I wanted to do this video. Yeah, I'm super excited for this. My eyebrows or anything isn't done, but I just wanted to come on and do an intro and stuff, and then I wanted to show you guys how I made these that I'm going to be putting in my hair. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to like stem places in my hair and it just kind of look like a 3D. So my sister had these. Listen guys, if there's one thing about me, I can make something out of anything. I mean, these are literally 3D flowers. Like, I didn't make them, but I was like, you know what, I can use these in my videos. So my sister just got these 3D butterfly decorations. Basically you can put them on anything that's just like this, and I just hot glued bobby pins to them. These are like plastic, but they're a little bit thicker, so if you take good care of them, like, you can keep using them, which I probably will keep using these. But yeah, so that's how I did those. I just wanted to give you guys a little tip because like it's super cute and easy. So I'm going to be putting these in my hair all over. It's gonna be super cute, basically like this. And I'm gonna do it just like throughout the whole video, just so you guys can get that fairy aesthetic vibe. I think it's super cute. So yeah, these are like blue, but some of them also have like some pinkish purple, you can't really see because it's far away, and some yellow like spots and stuff, just so you know how like butterflies are different colors. So I drew up a face chart, of course, of kind of what I want the makeup to look like, and I kind of used these colors: blue, yellow, purple, like pink kind of. So yeah, I'm super excited. So if you guys want to see my garden fairy makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes and everything, so let's just get started on the eyeshadow. As you can see, I moved it a little bit closer so you guys can see like the eyeshadow and everything. Let me clip my hair back. Just so you guys know, the ears might fall off because they're a little bit heavy for the glue that I'm using to stick them on, but if they fall off during the process of me doing my makeup, then we just gonna wait until the end to put it back on, and then we'll do like final reveal with it and everything, since you can't even really see them that much anyways. So for today's video, we're going to be using, no surprise here, the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. So basically we are going to start off with the second blue in the palette. Now as you can see by the face chart, or if I showed it previously, as you guys seen, it's kind of in like 3 separate parts. So I'm going to do the end part first, and then we're going to work in, and we're going to start off, actually we're going to start off with the first blue. I don't know why I always use blue, and look, I mean the butterflies are blue, but I don't know if you guys know, I mean I have a whole video on this channel called the blue makeup challenge because I'm not the best at working with blues. So and if you guys, I also have a video of this on my channel. You know the butterfly eye look that people do? I'm gonna be doing the stencil of that. So basically I'm gonna put like some down here. You'll see, like I'll just put the face chart again so you guys can kind of see. But we're gonna do the bottom later after I do my foundation and stuff, just because that's easier for me. I don't know why this side is looking so dark. I'm gonna get the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take the 5th color, which is like this really bright blue, and we're gonna take that on that same brush and basically, yeah, just put it on top and blend it out with that just to make it more blue. This brush might have had something on it previously that made it like a little bit darker, but we already just put it on, so we gotta work with it. So basically we're just blending that blue out on the outer part of the eye. Okay, so that's good for the blue for now. Now we're gonna move on to like the pink purple. It was supposed to be originally pink, honestly, but in the picture, obviously when you blend blue and pink, it turns into purple. So we're just gonna do purple because I really like the way that purple looks. We're gonna take the first purple and mix it with the second one in the Alexa Stone palette and put it with a flat brush. Okay, now I'm gonna take that brush again, the Morphe M330, cleaned off from the blue, and just start blending it into the crease and also out and into the blue. And now we're gonna take the first blue and basically just add that back on top of the blue, kind of where the purple and the blue meet, just to blend that some more. So now the next color that we're going to put in the inner corner is yellow. So we're going to take that first yellow from the Alexa Stone palette on a flat brush, and we're going to put that in the front part. And now I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush and some more of that yellow and just start blending that out. It's like a really tiny blending brush. Now we're going to take the purple again and blend that out into the yellow, basically just blending everything all together. This is pretty simple look. I'll probably just keep blending it until it's blended out how I like it, but you could also keep it like not really that blended out on the top, and I think it would still look super cute. Okay, so I did my foundation. I just made it super dewy, and then I also did a lot of blush. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, I just feel like I just need a lot of blush for like fairies. And now I'm gonna try to do, let's do my under eyes first. I was gonna try to do the faux freckles, but just in case they like get on it, let's just do the under eye first. So basically we're just gonna take the same colors from the top. So first we're gonna take the BH Cosmetics palette, take the lightest blue. We're gonna start doing a little circle right here. So if you guys ever seen the butterfly eyeshadow look, the first time I seen it, and I'm pretty sure she's the creator, is from Raggedy Royal. I love her and I love her makeup looks. I did a video recreating that a while ago when I first seen it, so I'll link that video as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that kind of shape, but I'm not gonna do the liner that goes with it. So I'm just taking a light blue and blending that kind of in a circle. Now that we have that blue, we're gonna start taking the Alexa Stone palette. I'm gonna take the first and second blue and basically just put that in the middle. My desk is a hot mess, like always. So now I'm gonna take the first and second purple and just put that basically the same place it is on the top, but on the under eye. I'm also gonna drag it and blend it. Now I'm gonna take the yellow. So now I'm gonna take the Cover FX Perfect Highlighting Palette. I honestly think this is the perfect highlighting palette for like looks like this, or like just very girly, especially for like, not saying that it's a Halloween eyeshadow palette, but especially if you're doing like cute fairy Halloween looks, because the highlighters, like you see on my nose, it kind of has like that blue undertone. They all have really pretty undertones. So I'm gonna take the middle white color and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Okay, so I feel like I look so cute. I have to do a close-up because I did something that was super extra. So I just put a bunch of little tiny diamonds where I put the freckles. So it's kind of like diamond freckles. You can kind of see it from the distance, but you can't see it that much. So that's why like I plan on doing the close-up or whatever. And for my lips, I kind of just put on like this purple lipstick, and then I got this set from my sister, which look how pretty this is, and it has this gorgeous like gold lipstick. It's called Bellini, which is like this gorgeous rose gold, but it's lipstick, but it also has like a sheen to it. It's so pretty. And then on the outside is chrome violet. So yeah, this is so nice. So yeah, I guess this is the finished garden fairy look. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. It makes me feel so majestic. It makes me feel so like gorgeous. Like, I don't know, it just gives me such majestic fairy vibes. I don't know what's going on with me today, but everything is just like A1. Like the skin's A1, the eyeshadow's A1, the little diamond freckles that I decided to do because I'm extra is A1. So yeah, I definitely recommend doing this. Like, now I see why it's been like going around and super like trendy, because it's so fun. Like, how fun would it be? I know you're tired of me making everything into a series, but how fun would it be if I did different style elves? Like, this one's like a garden fairy. I could do like a dark one, which could be like a night fairy, and I could do like, you know what, I think we just might do it because this was so fun. I love it so much. So yeah, I definitely recommend doing this, and I definitely recommend getting these. And even if you don't like have time to do all that extra stuff that I did, like taping them, hot gluing them to bobby pins and all that stuff, and you can like get the ones that are already on the clips, then you can do that as well. It's just like so fun, and it adds so much movement and texture to like hair and stuff. For the ears, I would definitely recommend just buying some. If I'm gonna make this into a series, I'm just gonna buy some on Amazon, because these are kind of heavy, and like I wasn't able to keep them on for the whole time that I was doing my makeup, and also like up close they don't look that good, but like from a distance they look good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is in the description box. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I liked filming it, as much as I liked how the end result turned out. Definitely turn yourself into a garden fairy, a fairy, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, also leave a comment down below if you think I should turn this into a series. Honestly, I probably will anyways, but just let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Period.